In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the booking process on Expedia and seamlessly complete your payment using Affirm. This straightforward guide is designed to walk you through each step so you can confidently make your travel arrangements. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Expedia, which is one of the leading platforms for arranging travel accommodations, whether that be flights, hotels, or rental cars. If you're new to Expedia, you'll be pleased with its user-friendly design, making it easy even for first-time users to find great travel deals. All right, with Expedia open, let's move on. Now that you're on the Expedia homepage, you'll want to enter your travel details to search for your desired booking. This involves inputting necessary information such as your travel dates, destination, and any specific requirements you might have, like seat preference or hotel amenities. As you do this, be sure to double-check your information for accuracy, as this is key to finding the best options that match your needs. Once you've inputted all your travel details, you're ready to hit the search button. Expedia will now provide you with a list of potential options based on the criteria you've entered. Take some time here to review and compare these options and select the one that best fits your requirements and budget. Remember, more often than not, flexibility with dates and alternative airports can lead to better deals, so keep this in mind while making your selections. Once you've settled on a booking you're happy with, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll confirm all your trip details and review everything one last time before making a payment. It's always a good practice to thoroughly review your selections, ensuring all the details, from travel dates to traveler information, are correct. If everything looks good, you'll move on to the payment steps. On the checkout page, you'll find yourself at the Payment Details section. Here, you have various payment methods to choose from. To proceed with Affirm, look for the Affirm option listed among the available payment methods and click on it. Choosing Affirm allows you to pay over time, which can be particularly helpful in managing large travel expenses without impacting your immediate cash flow too heavily. It's a convenient, reliable financial tool for travelers who wish to manage their budget more effectively. Once you've selected Affirm, follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete your transaction. Just like that, you're all set. Your travel reservation is confirmed and you're ready to embark on your journey with peace of mind. That brings us to the end of our guide. With these steps, booking your travel through Expedia and paying with Affirm is a breeze. We hope this video has made the process clearer and simpler for you. Travel safely and enjoy your trip.